Morning, day in the life, pretty much. First things first, I woke up this morning to a text from Nate Belmar. I called him the other day because he's a user of mine for Beamly. He didn't answer because he's asleep. Sorry I missed call. Been busy with work and setting up a new studio. We can touch base later today or tomorrow. Let me know what works good for you. What we're doing is pretty much scaling his own stuff, anime shreds with Beamly. Now we're probably gonna bring it to other accounts within the Capital Club ecosystem. But for the next few minutes, I'm gonna double check everything, check my email, because I haven't done that yet. See if there's anything I missed overnight, catch up with some people. I just checked the dashboard for Whop affiliate. Every single day, I get like daily payouts for like affiliate referrals. You refer somebody to a platform and you get referral fees for their payment processing. And what's dope about Whop is it's daily payouts for that, for the affiliate side. That means every single day I'm getting paid for just connecting a creator to the platform. If any of you guys are really good at affiliate marketing, hit me up. I'd love to chop it up with you and maybe we can figure something out together. This is what I do most of my days, honestly. It's like drive around or go places where I gotta get food, gotta pick something up. Because once you have like an infrastructure set up, you don't have to fully be behind the computer 24/7. Now, when you're in a building phase, sure, of course. But once you have things a bit more hands-off and start delegating things, at this point, it's just about having conversations with people, maintaining relationships, tapping into new people. Before you know it, your other clients are opening group chats for you and referring their friends to you, as long as you have a good service and as long as you have a good product. So don't think that you're gonna be stuck in the building phase forever, because it's not true. And I know it can be very demotivating in the moment because it's very tiresome. When you don't have people under you, or you don't have contractors, or you don't have leverage, it's gonna be very difficult. And that's a stage of business that everybody has to go through. But once you can kind of establish yourself and build that momentum and build that leverage, then you can have more freedom to basically do what we're doing right now, which is to go smoke a cigar at 10:53 a.m. Every single time, it's him and Jimmy Farley, if you guys know, both from the podcast with both of them. His content's been blowing up so much more recently. It's so good. Never learn from somebody that isn't living the life that you want, doesn't have the results that you want to. Because at that point, you're learning from somebody just off of theory. And we don't want to learn off of theory. We actually want to learn off of results what somebody's done for themselves and even for helping other people. Basically, get back to some people more right now and touch base, see what's good. Catch up with you guys here in a moment. So you may be wondering, how are all these cars here? We got a 750S, Lamborghini Urus Performante in there, and about 12 other supercars, all from this one company here. They're called Rack Financial. They're able to basically create this business which helps others and make money at the same time. I think payment processing is one of those things, if you get in the industry and you're good at network marketing, you can absolutely crush it. I've been able to scale up a small portfolio for payment processing without even really trying that much, just through people that I know, having conversations. So if you are an online business owner or you know other online business owners, this is an industry where you can actually make money off of by connecting one person to another person. Coffee check, fuck Starbucks, we got pressed again. Now on the way to the bank, a quick Monday morning run. I'm not gonna be flexing on you guys intentionally, but it has to be done, right? Right here is $5,800, and you might be wondering, like, why do I have this in cash? Am I gonna go to the mall and record me spending $5,000 at a Gucci store? Not today. What I'm actually doing is reinvesting this back into a water system for a house. In the beginning stages, when you start making money online, it's like super fun to kind of just blow it. Because it's brand new, you're like, I'm that guy now, I got this money. And then soon enough, you're left with a bunch of things, maybe watches, other jewelry, other accessories around you. And it's money trapped in things that actually are not serving you or helping you to make more money. Now, maybe a watch, cool, it helps with your status, it helps with your in-person meetings and events and stuff like this, but other stuff like dumb clothes is not worth it, or shoes in my mind are not really worth it. After I got a little bit older, because I started making decent money when I was 19 and 20, now I'm 23, I came to the conclusion that investing an extra 6 bands actually the entire price of this was $9,500, so this is part of it. I realized that investing into that and investing into a property that is already going to go up over time That's a way better play long-term than me trying to do something short-term for a video. Reinvest back into your future, reinvest into assets that are actually going to help you cash flow and be an asset for you in the long term here. Something to learn too as you go and start doing more stuff online is a lot of the time you're gonna be spending putting out many fires that pop up. Things just come up as they do. The only thing that's actually gonna separate yourself from being actually successful, building the relationships that you want and making the money that you want is actually your ability to juggle a lot of things and delegate certain things that are not gonna be a big ROI to yourself, unless it's about maintaining a relationship with somebody. If you're able to do a lot of things and balance a lot of things, handle a lot of stress that just randomly comes up, yes, it's gonna be annoying, but it's gonna be a make or break kind of like decision and characteristic and character trait for your self-development as well as success as an individual. Because if you can't handle the heat, you're gonna just melt and become a random person again and not really make something of yourself to be special. Let's go to the gym.